go in here. Look, unsure. So what happens is we go, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah? If you understood that, you wouldn't need me. You wouldn't need Sophie, you wouldn't need dog trainers. Hell, anytime a dog was afraid, we'd tell him it's okay. But what happens is this. We see the dog getting nervous, so we feel sorry, so we tell him it's okay. So the words they're not hearing is how we feel. So they're panicking, we're panicking. To help him, what we do, come on mate, let's go. So, nice and relaxed and chilled out. We stop. See, look, very unsure. Walk around a little bit. Very unsure. But if he's unsure, I can't be unsure. I need, there we go, look. There we go, and see how he's looking up. Because when he's panicking, I can't. Now, I can't tell him through words what I want from him. I tell him through my actions. Yeah? Yeah, a little bit. So this weird place that was terrifying to him isn't terrifying anymore, is it? And then we can go one better. So we go, give it in, let's go, 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 go. Go, 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 you can do it. Wow, yeah. Yeah? That's how you deal with fear with a dog. You don't